Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design ball in SolidWorks. It's easy and simple, and it's perfect for beginners to learning in SolidWorks. In here we have a drawing, a front view, in here a section, a front view, and here is top view, and here is isometric view. All dimensions are in millimeter. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks, and we start from front plane. Right click on front plane and click sketch. Ensure you select for unit in millimeter gram second, and first select center line, draw from this point to top like this, and we can see, and we can to focus on the section of front view in here. Draw line, so select line this to this like this, and we can to see in here have in ball have radius in 35 on the edge. So just click or select sketch fillet. Fill parameters input in 35 millimeter, and for point click this point. Just click OK like this. And in here for edge, for angle in here, this center line and this line have angle in 30 degree. So set for dimension, this center line and this line angle in 30 degree like this. So in here the total the line in here is 120 for diameter. In here we can see on top view. So this line have line in 60 millimeter because we just draw a half of part in here. The total in here is 120, but the center line to this point the design in 600. It's simple. We can see again in here have a radius 8. So just draw our click 3-point arc. Draw from this point to this like this. Ensure this point click and click make tangent. Set for dimension in here. Radius 8 millimeter. Okay, like this. So that we can see the ball have thickness in 4 millimeter. We can see here thickness in 4 millimeter. So select in here offset entities, and for parameter change in 4 millimeter on offset distance. Just click this line. The direction to we can reverse direction to another direction like this. In here natural in direction to out, but we can to reverse direction to in like this. Okay, like this. Just click OK. So that we can see again in here have a radius in 2 millimeter. So click 3-point arc from this point to this point like this. So in here automatically radius is 2 millimeter. We can set in 2 millimeter like this. Click OK. Okay, and we can see in here this the top and top edge in here have distance in 80 millimeter. So this line click set for dimension and click shift on your keyboard, hold and click this center line like this. Sorry, center line, this arc. We can repeat again in here. Just click this line bottom edge in here and click shift on your keyboard, hold and click this arc like this. Just click input in 80 millimeter for the high like this in 80 millimeter. And don't forget in here the center line to this arc have distance in 130. So this center line, click shift on your keyboard and click this arc like this. Input in 130 millimeter, because in here the total on top view in here the outer edge diameter in 260 like this. So the half of 260 is 130. After you make a sketch like this, so just click feature and click revolve boss or base. Click yes. And for axis of revolution automatically in this line or line 1 in the center line, direction is blind, and for angle in here automatically in 360 degree. Just click OK and done. We just to make bold, simple and fast in SolidWorks with Revolve boss or best feature. We can select all Revolve boss, change for appearances. In here, for example, I set in plastic, high gloss, select in cream, high gloss plastic, like this. Okay. We can see of the section view, this drawing. Just click OK, and like this. Is appropriate from the section view like this drawing. The thickness is 4 mm and it's simple. We can uncheck this again on section view. We can see a full part like this ball in SolidWorks. It's easy and simple and perfect for beginner to learning SolidWorks. Okay, thank you very much for watching until the end. I apologize if there any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in next tutorial.